Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 1st, 2016, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, got a bunch of numbers coming out starting at 11:30 a.m. South African time, a GBP manufacturing PMI number. Then at 3:30 p.m. South African time, Canadian dollar GDP monthly. And then at 5 p.m. South African time, US dollar ISM manufacturing PMI numbers. So it's the manufacturing numbers that are coming out, but please make sure to be aware that the NFP is coming out this Friday. That's probably the most important number. So we've had a little bit of a rotation in the markets. Looking at the EURUSD, we're trading a 108.8. So we're right back down. We had a big sell-off yesterday, and we didn't breach this. We just sold off. We sold off hard, and then we sold off our lower side here at 109.16, and then we just broke down to 108. So looking at our next support level, next real support level is 108.28. So, you know, it was nice that the euro took off here to 113, but as you can see, we're back down to almost our trading range low of 107.95. So, you know, it's very hard. This is truly there's no consistency with once we start a certain trend. I would have expected it to, you know, at least hold this 110.15 level right here, but as you can see, we've breached it. And now we're heading it further down to 108.28. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the European market, as you can see. Stuff going on in the British pound. You know, so this is affecting the markets. Okay, so. Needless to say, the dollar isn't weak across the board, but it is weak versus the Canadian dollar. As we're looking here at the Canadian dollar, we've retraced over 100 pips here from 146 to 135, and you know this is also a very big retracement, and you know we're just leveling off here at 134, and we did give this as a possible point of retracement, and we're hitting it right now. And you know, so it's funny how quickly these things are happening, but you got to be in it to win it. So we've had major bars down, 1, 2, 3. That's our third bar down. So I would suggest I would be inclined to think that we're going to bounce here at 134. So keep an eye on this, and you know, let's see if it does rotate again on the upside. Looking at the gold, we're right back up to 1246. So gold is staying steady. Okay, so we said this yesterday. We didn't see it breaking down below 1200. It maintained 1220, 1200, and now we're taking it even higher, and we're really challenging our upper range here at 1246. So if we do find ourselves above this 1246, I think we could hit 1300. Maybe even 1400 before the year's end, but we'll have to see for that. Okay, but as you can see, this is what we call the beginning of a bull run. Okay, so a little bit of a wedge formation right here, and then breaking it out to the 1246. I'd like to see some consistency. I'd like to see a breakout for me to really have some sort of confidence that we're going to break out even higher. Looking at the Dow Jones yesterday, not a major day for the Dow Jones, just down maybe 50 points, 40 points here, as you can see, taking a breather. But we've had 1, 2, 3, and so this is really the point to see whether or not we're going to break out higher at 16,700. Some of the major bellwethers were not trading big yesterday, so we'll have to see as we get closer to the NFP how the markets are going to react. Looking at oil here, oil actually rallied yesterday. Couple of points, and we're settling on $34 a barrel, and this is beautiful because it's retracing to normal levels, and then it's taking off. It's retracing. I'd like to see, like I said before, some consistency above this $34 range. Maybe we'll hit even $40 if we hang up about and above $35. So, you know, looking at the weekly chart, you know, $30 is a joke to where this has been previously. So, you know, you got to look for some consolidation. You got to look some formation, some foundation for these elements to go higher. So the major play of the week is obviously the NFP at the end of the week. But moving forward, I think there's going to be continued rotation in the markets, and keep an eye on gold if it's going to break higher today. Keep an eye on the Euro USD if it's going to somehow solidify itself and bounce off of this lows. The USD CAD as well, the Dow Jones, and the oil. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.